Hello there. So you want to know how you can create a card from Barclays on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead into your app store and go ahead and search for Barclays just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and download and install this application right over here and install it. Click on open, and once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you want to simply go ahead and tap on activate your new card down over here. If you already have a card and you just want to go ahead and log in here, you can simply tap on existing card member, or you could simply click on new card member. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and enter the number on your card. Go ahead and enter your security code and your last 4 digits of SSN or ITIN, and it's going to go ahead and do it for you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.